What if I told you that the two most influential men in the business world today couldn't be more different in their approach to investing and success? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into an epic showdown between two of the most iconic figures in the world of business and investing. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, and Elon Musk, the visionary CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. These two titans have amassed incredible fortunes, but they've done it in radically different ways. So, who's the real investing king? Is it Buffett, with his time-tested, methodical approach to value investing? Or is it Musk, the risk-taker who's reshaping entire industries? Get ready, because we're about to compare their strategies, philosophies, and legacies to see who truly deserves the title of investing king. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Let's get into it. Part 1. Warren Buffett, the conservative master of value investing. Let's start with Warren Buffett, a name that's synonymous with smart, long-term investing. Over the course of his career, Buffett has built a fortune of over $100 billion through a disciplined approach to investing that focuses on finding value where others don't. But what exactly makes Buffett's strategy so powerful? Buffett's approach is all about value investing. He looks for companies that are undervalued by the market but have strong fundamentals, companies that have the potential for long-term growth. His philosophy is based on the teachings of his mentor, Benjamin Graham, who taught him to focus on a company's intrinsic value rather than its short-term market price. One of Buffett's core principles is to invest in companies with a moat, a strong competitive advantage that protects them from competitors. Take his investment in Coca-Cola, for example. Buffett bought shares of the company in the 1980s when it was facing some short-term challenges. But he wasn't focused on those temporary problems. He saw Coca-Cola's brand loyalty and global reach as a moat that would protect it for decades to come. That investment has earned him billions. Buffett is also famous for his patience. His favorite holding period? Forever. He doesn't try to time the market or chase trends. Instead, he buys businesses that he believes will continue to grow over the long haul, no matter what the market does in the short term. His investment vehicle, Berkshire Hathaway, is now a massive conglomerate that owns companies like Geico, Dairy Queen, and BNSF Railway, as well as large stakes in companies like Apple and American Express. Buffett's strategy has stood the test of time, consistently delivering impressive returns over decades. But here's the key to Buffett's success discipline. He sticks to what he knows, investing only in industries and companies that he understands. He famously avoids tech stocks, at least until recently, because he didn't feel comfortable predicting the future of that industry. For Buffett, the most important rule is simple: never lose money. This cautious, calculated approach has earned him a reputation as one of the greatest investors of all time. But while Buffett's style is slow and steady, Elon Musk is anything but. Let's see how the man behind Tesla and SpaceX takes a very different path to success. Part 2. Elon Musk, the bold visionary and risk-taker. Now let's talk about Elon Musk, the man who's pushing the boundaries of what's possible in technology and space exploration. Musk is a visionary, and his approach to business and investing is as daring as his ideas. While Warren Buffett focuses on minimizing risk, Musk seems to embrace it. But his high-stakes gambles have paid off in extraordinary ways. Musk's story is one of relentless ambition. From co-founding PayPal to launching Tesla, SpaceX, and SolarCity, Musk has always aimed for projects that others thought were impossible. He didn't just want to improve existing industries, he wanted to disrupt them completely. This boldness is what defines Musk's style, and it's why he's become a billionaire many times over. Unlike Buffett, who invests in established companies with predictable profits, Musk is all about taking big risks on the future. Take Tesla, for example. When Musk took over as CEO in 2008, most people thought electric cars were a niche market with no future. But Musk didn't just see Tesla as a car company. He saw it as a key part of a broader vision to combat climate change by shifting the world to sustainable energy. Musk poured everything into making Tesla a success, even risking bankruptcy on several occasions. His willingness to put everything on the line is what separates him from more traditional investors. And it worked. Tesla is now the most valuable car company in the world, with a market cap of over $800 billion. And Musk's personal net worth? It's skyrocketed to over $200 billion, making him one of the richest people on the planet. But Tesla is just one part of Musk's empire. His other ventures, like SpaceX, are equally bold. SpaceX has revolutionized space exploration, becoming the first private company to send astronauts to the International Space Station and pioneering reusable rockets. Musk's ultimate goal? Colonizing Mars. It sounds like science fiction, but Musk is dead serious, and investors are betting big on his vision. While Buffett focuses on slow, steady growth, Musk thrives on volatility and innovation. He's constantly pushing boundaries, and his companies reflect that. Musk's willingness to take risks has led to some incredible successes, but it's also brought significant challenges. Tesla, for instance, has faced major production issues, regulatory hurdles, and periods of financial instability. But Musk's bold vision and ability to adapt have kept him and his companies at the forefront of innovation. So, while Warren Buffett is the master of predictability, Elon Musk is the king of disruption. But which approach is better? Let's take a closer look. Part 3. A clash of investing philosophies. Conservative versus bold. Warren Buffett and Elon Musk couldn't be more different in how they approach business and investing. Buffett's strategy is rooted in caution, patience, and long-term thinking. He invests in companies with proven business models and avoids taking unnecessary risks. Musk, on the other hand, thrives on risk and innovation. He's willing to bet everything on a bold idea, even if it means facing bankruptcy or failure. But here's the thing. Both approaches have worked. Buffett's value investing strategy has made him one of the richest men in history, while Musk's disruptive ventures have made him the face of the future. So, which one is the real investing king? Let's break it down. In terms of consistency, Warren Buffett is hard to beat. His investment portfolio is a well-oiled machine, generating steady returns year after year. His discipline and focus on fundamentals have made Berkshire Hathaway one of the most successful companies in the world. If you're looking for a model of sustainable, low-risk investing, Buffett is your guy. But if you're looking for innovation and boldness, Elon Musk stands out. Musk isn't content with simply generating returns. He's changing the world. His willingness to take risks has led to some of the most exciting technological advancements of our time, from electric vehicles to reusable rockets. Musk's impact on industries like transportation and space exploration is nothing short of revolutionary. But while Musk's style is exciting, it also comes with more volatility. Tesla's stock price, for example, has seen wild swings as investors react to the company's rapid growth, production challenges, and Musk's often controversial public statements. On the other hand, Buffett's investments are more stable, providing a safe haven during turbulent market times. At the end of the day, it comes down to what kind of investor you are. If you prefer a steady hand and long-term stability, Warren Buffett is the blueprint. But if you're drawn to high-risk, high-reward opportunities and want to bet on the future, Elon Musk's approach might be more appealing. So, who is the real investing king? The answer might depend on what kind of investor you aspire to be. Warren Buffett's disciplined, value-focused approach has made him a master of long-term wealth creation. He's proven that you don't need to take big risks to succeed, just patience and a deep understanding of the companies you invest in. On the other hand, Elon Musk's bold, visionary approach has made him one of the most transformative figures in modern history. He's not just building companies, he's building the future, and his willingness to embrace risk has made him a billionaire many times over. Ultimately, both Buffett and Musk are kings in their own right. One rules through caution and wisdom, while the other reigns through innovation and audacity. But the debate doesn't have to end here. Let me know in the comments which clash you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Which approach resonates more with you? Buffett's conservative style or Musk's bold vision? Let us know. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the world of investing. See you next time.